This is Jim, the star cartographer, and we're looking at April 2026 skies featuring Venus and Orion. In these maps, we are looking at the sky each night 45 minutes after sunset. Let's slow it down. April starts with Venus low in the west and Orion high in the southwest. By the end of the month, Venus is almost twice as high and Orion is setting. The moon is near Venus on the 19th, 20th, and above it on the 21st, which will help with locating Venus. The Pleiades are between Venus and the moon on the 20th. Now, let's look a little higher in the sky in early April and get our last look at the winter stars before they are setting too early to be seen. Most people can recognize Orion the Hunter with its three belt stars surrounded by a rectangle of four bright stars, including the orange star Betelgeuse and blue star Rigel. Orion's belt stars point to the blue star Sirius, part of Canis Major, the Big Dog, one of the few constellations that actually look like what they are named for. It looks like the side view of a dog. Procyon is the brightest star in the constellation Canis Minor. It doesn't look much like a dog with only four stars visible in suburban skies. Orion's belt stars also point to the orange star Aldebaran in Taurus the Bull. The stars near Aldebaran form a triangular shape. Most are members of the Hyades star cluster. Aldebaran is not, it's a foreground object. Also in Taurus is the Pleiades star cluster, often called the Little Dipper, but it is not. The Little Dipper is part of a mostly dim constellation and includes the pole star Polaris. To the left and above Taurus, we see Gemini. Its brightest stars are the bluish-white star Castor and the orange star Pollux. In spring of 2026, Jupiter is seen among the stars of Gemini. The yellow star Capella is the brightest star in Auriga, the charioteer. The constellation looks like a large pentagon. And here's the labeled map for all these stars and constellations. This view will be tilted to the right at varying degrees depending on when you look at this in April. Orion, Taurus, and Canis Major will be too low to be seen after sunset by early May, while Capella and Procyon are still visible until later in that month. Castor and Pollux will still be visible throughout most of June. As a spoiler, Venus will pass Jupiter in June with Mercury nearby.